Hello, and thank you for giving us a chance to introduce you to a little different way of assisting you in gathering proper information for your electric motors and controls. My name is Bob Murphy, and I was raised in the electric business. I took the reins of our family business in 1964, so I'm not the new kid on the block. Through the years, questioning and gathering the people's information has always been a time killer. First in one book, then another, then making a call and waiting for a call back. Well, on our site, theelectricalhelper.org, we have placed a link at the top of the home page which will speed up the process of selecting proper motors and controls to a couple quick steps, which in turn will reduce your stress while saving you time and money. So here we are at the page where we can finally get some answers. Please note there are two tables you can take advantage of by clicking on your choice and getting the information you need. This is a good place to tell you that the National Electrical Code tells us we are to use the tables and not the motor nameplate information in most cases to size for motor protection. You can click on any of the motors listed for more information. In my case, and for purposes of this demo, I chose the 75 horsepower three-phase motor. When the page opens, it displays two sections or one section depending on the motor size and operating voltage. If the text is linked to more information, it will be displayed in blue.